green, but there's a car approaching. They have the right of way. If they're making a right turn, you have to wait until they turn. Safe? Then you go. Turn it in so you get in on the left side. That's a bad turn. That's a wide turn. You're supposed to end up on this side. You don't go there and swing around. Next street down, it's a left turn. Here, don't pass it. And you get down to 25. Do not stop unless there's a car approaching. Then you stop. Now it's a left turn at the stop sign. Left, you put the right signal on. That's no good. Relax, okay? Now what do we have here? Do we have a white line?
No.
No. So where should you stop?
Behind the crosswalk.
Behind the sidewalk, but you're too far back. So go stop where you're supposed to. Right up to the sidewalk. Keep going, keep going. There. The whole idea is that you don't block it. Because if a kid was riding a bike across, he would smash into you and it's your fault.
Okay.
So this is fine and you can see. If you could not see, then you can block it. Now go. Check and go. Come on, you're holding up traffic behind us. Remember, it's immediate response. You check and get out right away. Don't sit there. Hand over hand steering. Now the examiner says, pull over and park your vehicle. Signal right, mirror, blind spot, get close to the curb. Make a complete stop with the wheel straight. You're up on the curb. You just failed the test. Remember, the curb is off limits. Okay? This is the last time I'm telling you how to do stuff. Leave the signal on. Apply the parking brake. Gear selected to park. And it's uphill with a curb. 1 revolution to the left. And then you hold the wheel and wait for the examiner to ask you to go. Now the examiner says, okay, let's go. No, straighten the wheel first. Then get rid of the parking brake. Place the gear selected to drive. Signal left. Rear view mirror, left outside mirror, left blind spot. Drive off in a straight line, but watch what you're doing with the accelerator,
Yeah.
because you're on ice. So you go gently on the gas pedal. Now you can pick the speed up because it's in motion. And then you turn the wheel away from the curb to get out of the slush. Because you don't want to be spinning your tires.
No, that's not.
Okay. Okay, get out of the slush. Drive on the traveled portion of the roadway. Turn the car around, meaning a 3-point turn. Signal right, mirror, blind spot. Pull over close to the curb, make a complete stop. Then, signal left. Get all your turns into the left, hand over hand. Don't bang the wheel, that's a 4-pointer right there. You just lost 4 points. Now do your checking. And then if it's safe, then you go to the left side of the roadway, all the way over. Just look where you're going. Keep going as close to the curb as possible without hitting. Keep going, come on man, you're taking too long. There. Put to reverse. Get all your turns into the right, hand over hand steering. All of it. And don't tighten the wheel. Now check for 10 kids playing behind you. So back off the brake, let the car go back and check for the kids 360 degrees around the vehicle. If you hit the curb, you failed. You have enough room out front? Yes. Put to drive. Get all the turns to the left. Hand over hand. Look to the right, and then you go. And do not look at that vehicle. Look at the road where you're supposed to be going. Straighten it out. That's your 3-point turn.